Another day, another video, man. Watch out. Today we're gonna do I'm gonna do some like combos, action, fighting stuff. So I think it's like the third video. So I'm gonna flip the screen. Let's get the line mileage up. We're gonna get your line mileage up. So subscribe. We'll do this together. Don't worry, I got you. Okay, so I'm using some Street Fighter references, so just give you a heads up on that. Let me see what we can get on here. Yeah, so what Street Fighter pose am I gonna do? I'm gonna do the classic Haduken. The classic Haduken. So I'm looking at Ryu from Street Fighter, and I'm gonna simplify the pose for myself first before overwhelming myself. So this is the chest, and this is gonna be the shoulder where the arm's gonna pop out from, and that's where they're gonna do their Haduken. You get me? You're a Street Fighter fan, you know this. And this is just rough. And this is what I'm saying, like, sometimes you trip yourself out for free. Don't trip yourself out, man. Don't trip. Chill out. It's just lines. I'm saying that, but I used to get stressed myself. I still get stressed. Myself. But somebody needed to hear that, and my artists know what I'm on about. So if you're an artist, you know what I'm on about. With stress, you get me? But it's not a big whoop. Gone. It's just lines, guys. It's just lines. Let's chill out. A bit. Okay, so you can see it's coming together. See? Nice. You get me? Haduken. And there you have it. It's coming together, you get me? And then the pelvis, you have the leg, knee popping out, and then for the other leg, this is the Haduken charging up. So it's not the Haduken being fired, but it's just charging up. You get me? It's loading. Sector Haduken. Shoryuken. You're laughing, but I'm a Street Fighter fan knows what I'm talking about. You get me? Let's do another one. Let's do the Haduken when it's popped out. Let me just double check. Yeah. I just had to double check, make sure you could see my screen, what I'm drawing on, so you can still see that. So we're good. Okay, so now you have the Haduken charging out. Watch out. See that? Bam. So give me a second. I'm gonna get this together. Again, just simplify it first. No need to trip. It's just lines. And then there you go. Actually, wait, I can do better than that. Let me try again. Let me just try that again. So that's not too bad, that. And then again, you're just simplifying it. My little young G's in the back, so if you hear anything, it's from my little YG. Okay, so and then open the mouth for that, you know, because it's like Haduken. I'm spending too much time on it. I'm spending too much time on this. This is just rough. It's not that deep. Nice. What else? So because you can clean this up later, like I showed you before. We might do it on here as well, so I might clean it up as well. So okay, let's just do these two posters and then let's just clean it up, because it's gonna take time to do more. And I'm just trying to do a quick video for. And you can use that pose and create your own character doing that action. So what I'm gonna draw a YN. No, I'm joking. I'm gonna draw a random. This is a random. It's a randomer doing it. Give him where I use gi. Did I call it gi? Yeah, I think it's called gi. And that as well. And trousers. Okay, I'm doing this really fast because I try to do a short video, not a long one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just gotta make sure that I'm not drawing 5 fingers and a thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Can it be better? It can always be better. But is it bad? Not bad. Not bad. Which means it's Gucci. Make his hair float a bit back because of the wind. You want to add a little bit of motion, so the strings are going that way because the wind of the Haduken. It's making that happen. Made his arm a bit too long, so I'll just shorten it here. So I was lost in a daze. I haven't forgotten you guys. I was lost in a daze, you get me? But there we have it. So draw along, rewind the video, simplify it with myself, and you're good to go. Haduken. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yo, guys, I'm gone. Show love, subscribe, all that good stuff. Laters.